Bawumia Kremoni, can he go for another Muslim? Maybe yes, maybe no.
Odo you emfa udon kamimio. Odo you emfa udon kamimio me dofupa. Kase heat. For a telemedia, so and of course, all the exclusives, latest and well updated in Saint Pierre and Nenda maintain feeling. So much as me de baba suman ma sanim ma twapete na nso wanya bi ahwe. And of course, Dr. Bawumia reanimate on sense abusa for enya sem kutakra. Na ansa na no subscribe, leave your comment under the comment section, like and share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Abusa for enne Honorable Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu, yes. Or the same year betudwa on Kesben Air Television and some no dene. Ano she efa aye Dr. Bawumia and running mate on sensem. Na Honorable say, wo hu se nkrofo bi e lobe. Nenam sumu ase kuntu na se e didi nkomo bi fa nipa bra, fa nipa bra, fa nipa bra. Opanyin se ne se o ka ne nne na obi aso ate se efri ne kosi nasia enya de se Dr. Bawumia obey reanimate ne na wayi no wochena.
I've said to you that if you ne copy the same man so the onye. What needs to be done now? I shall say okofa need the hunkomo. Reconciliation and unity.
Abusiafo wan fancy ho owie ye no. Ano se no kre Dr. Bawumia kremoni. Inti obetumi kremoni as an reanimate. Sans obetumi so Christoni as an reanimate.
Bawumia kremoni. Can he go for another Muslim? Maybe yes, maybe no.
Momu no se mu bisam ono de ya de obetimi aka ne se me prefer say mo de Christoni reanimate than a Muslim.
If you ask me, me feel say the better arrangement for him may be to bring a Christian.
Ewurade asem na nia nyan asem na no ahye yenkoni enkotie openyikese Honorable Osei Kyei Mensa Bonsu se na usidi ne nsem no etu yene.
Bawumia kremoni, can he go for another Muslim? Maybe yes, maybe no. What I say? If you ask me, me feel say the better arrangement for him may be to bring a Christian. So maybe I who say if one people
exactly
in one country with a common destiny. What if you are to enjoy? Apano ni abefano ne kontra ko nyaba ko so more or less.
Yeah.
And this are.
Yeah, no correct.
So you are looking at the chemistry between the two of them. What do you say? The chemistry between the two of them, how does it work? The baby we munyina. No way ni pa. Mano. Na bit pape boano. Is youthful but not too youthful.
Yeah.
Until we pay a younger person. What the mano. And then you feel you make a sizable proportion of our voting population. The Ibia pay ubisa or the mano. Yes, or by executive no more. What I say, by executive no more. Throughout, Fee Bank of Ghana or co-executive. And in terms of real governance and so on, would you want to be a very senior in the party? I will name party in the year and our partner na. All these are considerations. I have a bar in his choice. And all that I'm saying is that in Yamano, I've said to you that if you ne copy the same man so the onye. What needs to be done now? I shall say okofa need the hunkomo. Reconciliation and unity. What you say?
That's the top one.
If we na it million year. Senior, trust him, Kano. Say, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and all other things shall be added unto you. Coming, Gruma, ebe corrupt one kakra. Or say, seek ye first the political kingdom, and all other things shall be added. That's what they say.
Yeah.
And then let's look at what political kingdom that we want to build.
Okay.
And all other things shall be added unto you.